In ancient Chinese ghost stories, women often appear not as four subjects, but as bodies to be controlled, disciplined, and objectified. The image shifts from ghosts, demons, and wives to commodities, ornaments, or threats. My project asks how are women's bodies represented and regulated in these stories, and how can we make those invisible power visible again? I choose two classical Chinese collections, Liaozhai and Taiping Guangji. From both Chinese originals and English translations, I selected stories of women using tools like NLTK, Veda, and Weiziyun. I extract words of discipline, objectification, and emotion. This process reveals translation differences. Chinese often shows stronger discipline and negative emotion, while English tends to soften and flatten the meaning. By coding adjectives, verbs, and nouns, I turn the stories into datasets, numbers, that reflects how female bodies were framed. From text, I created data. From data, I generated matter. I designed two sculptures, the window with thorns and the goose cage with thorns. Each thorn corresponds to a negative or objectifying word. The more the text disciplines women, the denser the thorns become. In this way, abstract language is transformed into something tangible, something that pricks, resists, and forces us to feel. Combining 3D printing with ink painting, I build not just the objects, but metaphors for the silent suffering and resilience of women in these stories. These sculptures are more than artistic experiments, they are questions in material form. How do we read women's bodies across time, language, and translation? How can digital humanities reimagine feminist resistance, not only through analysis, but also through creation? My process invites us to see, to touch, and to question the invisible power hidden within visible bodies.